Lower back pain causes more disability than any other conditions on a global scale. Today we're going to show you 3 exercises to fix lower back pain. Welcome back, I'm Fred. If you're looking to get rid of lower back pain, the first thing we need to do is to identify what is the underlying cause of the lower back pain. One of the most common causes is weakness of the gluteus medius muscle. This muscle can be found on the outside of the hip. Did you know that on average, adults sit for more than 10 hours per day? The gluteus medius muscle can be weakened from sitting too long. Start sitting while well supported, and this muscle will have no reason to be activated. And when muscle is not being used, it will naturally become weaker. You may be wondering, how can weakness of this gluteus medius muscle cause lower back pain? Weakness of this muscle can cause hip drop, changes in walking pattern, and most importantly, increased loading to the structures and muscles of our lower back. And when our back muscle are asked to do more than it's capable of, it's going to lead to problems, and in this case, lower back pain and back stiffness. The takeaway message is our body works in a unit. By getting our gluteus medius muscle stronger, we can effectively reduce the amount of loading acting on our lower back. And this will help us reduce our lower back pain. Now we'll show you 3 exercises to strengthen the gluteus medius muscle. If you do these exercises consistently, you will find immediate relief of your lower back pain. Now let's get into it. The first exercise will be done standing. Keep your pelvis leveled and move your leg outward, then slowly coming back. It's important to keep your toes facing forward. This will help us ensure that we're activating the correct muscle group. If you find this exercise difficult, you can place your hand onto something stable so you can maintain your balance. The other option is to make the movement a bit smaller. If you find it easy, you can wrap a resistance band around your ankle. For the next exercise, you will lay on your side, bending your hip to about 45 degrees and knee to about 90 degrees. Then move your leg towards the ceiling, then slowly coming back. The movement should resemble the action of a clam. If you want to stabilize your hip and feel the muscle contraction, you can place your hand over the outside of your hip. If you find this exercise easy, you can wrap a resistance band above your knees. For the next exercise, you will perform a single leg squat. Bend your knee until the heel of your floating leg touches the ground. If you find this exercise easy, you can increase the height of the stepper so you can go into a larger range of motion. The really nice thing about this exercise is that it not only targets the gluteus medius muscle, but also your hip extensors. So it's very possible to reduce our lower back pain. By getting our gluteus medius and other surrounding hip muscles stronger, it will help reduce the amount of loading and pressure acting on the lower back, and this will help us fix lower back pain. If you like the content from today's video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.